I love it here. This is my 3rd year, and I love it.
It's been a wonderful place to live, a very wonderful place, and I'm glad that I moved here.
I love it here. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
In 2001, Lieutenant Governor Mark Taylor came to us and said, I need to create something to provide safe, decent, affordable housing for rural Georgia. We had talked to Lieutenant Governor and said, the way that you can do that is what a lot of other states have done, is create a state low-income housing tax credit program that piggybacks the federal program. He says, great, draft legislation and I can get it introduced. We gave the Lieutenant Governor information and drafted the legislation, and it was passed unanimously by the House of Representatives, the Senate, and signed by Governor Barnes, thus creating the state low-income housing tax credit program. The program creates safe, decent, affordable housing for the residents of Georgia. It is used by national developers that build wonderful apartments for those that can afford to pay decent rent in the areas in which they live. It has created a significant amount of units and economic activity for the state of Georgia, and it provides the safe, decent, affordable housing that the state has been looking for years.
Hi, I'm Satikul Myers, and I'm the property manager for Norman Berry Village, a senior affordable housing community that's located in East Point, Georgia. Thanks to the Low-Income Housing Tax Credit Program, we're not just able to provide apartments, but we provide a lifestyle to our residents. Here at Norman Berry, we're able to provide amenities such as a theater, a salon, and a fitness center, and so much more.
When I say that I'm an affordable housing tax credit syndicator, I always get this confused look, and it's as if the person's thinking to themselves, what does that mean? It's simple, really. Developers promise to put certain low-income restrictions on their property. In exchange, the Department of Community Affairs awards them tax credits. A syndicator like Stateside Capital will purchase these credits, giving the property owner immediate capital for their development. This tax credit equity allows the property owner to take out much less debt than would be required of a conventional complex, and he can then take these savings, pass them on to the tenants in the form of lower rent. The investors are able to purchase these credits from a syndicator for less than the tax benefit, but they also get a comfort knowing that the opportunity is made available through Section 42 of the Internal Revenue Code. It's no surprise that the program's been around since 1986 because it's a winning proposition for everyone involved. The developer gets a source of equity for his development. The investor gets an attractive rate of return, and the tenant gets a safe, affordable place to live.
The types of units that are being built with this program basically compete against market rate units. You have national type developers that build these units and that build them of the quality that you would normally see in Class A apartment buildings throughout the state and throughout the country, which really nobody can tell the difference between what would be an affordable unit and what would be a market rate unit.
When the Georgia Affordable Housing Coalition went to the General Assembly, we promised that quality workforce housing would be developed in the areas of the state that previously would not support such high quality workforce housing, and that has occurred. But more than that, the state has enjoyed for every dollar that it is offered in a tax credit an 8-to-1 economic multiplier that brings new dollars into the state coffers.
I love it here. I would do it all over again and again.
Everybody is really friendly, and they'll talk to you in the halls. It's just like a big family. You know you're in an apartment by yourself. You don't feel like you're alone.
I really love living here. It's very beautiful, it's safe, and it's very affordable.
This place is definitely perfect for me and my son. I feel safe with him being here. I feel safe. It's a wonderful place to live.
Thanks for watching our presentation about the Affordable Housing Tax Credit Program within the state of Georgia. We hope you have a better understanding of the program and its many benefits. If you'd like further information, please feel free to give us a call anytime. Thanks again.